Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of keeps lagging on the application of Discord. We go to settings. In this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page you will search about the application of Discord and you will click here. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.